Okay. So, hello and welcome back. This is the day two for the Ho'oponopono Masterclass, and today's agenda is mostly on emotional healing. So, Binita ma'am, जैसे आपने बोला, so leg pain is mostly associated with emotions, right? Because our emotions, it flows downwards, and the first thing that get attacked is the legs. So, जो emotions होते हैं, it goes down and get accumulated in the leg area, which starts initially it starts as a pain, and then later on it might happen. So one thing more you can do is like you can take a little salt, okay, and wash your legs with the salt. You can even put a bucket of water and you can put salt and keep your legs on it, so that it will help you to resolve the pain at present, right? So the salt will actually break the disease energy which is there, which is accumulated for long, right? So do that. So let's begin. Ho'oponopono day 2.
ये पानी ठंडा होना चाहिए, ल्यूकवार्म होना चाहिए या
It
कोई भी
depends on
चलता है?
your choice. It depends on your choice. थोड़ा गर्म रहेगा, lukewarm रहेगा, it is better. But then गर्मी में people don't prefer. So even if it is cold water, जो काम है वो नमक का काम है. पानी का is just a agent which will carry the salt, right? Yeah. So it doesn't matter. Okay, so yesterday we have seen that Ho'oponopono is a Hawaii practice which was a part to reconciliation and forgiveness, and we learnt about the two principles which is most important in Ho'oponopono is like the power of forgiveness and the taking 100% responsibility, right? So let's go to day 2, and today we will understand the Ho'oponopono in emotions. So once we release the emotions, a lot of pain in our body gets released due to that emotions, right? We will do a practical technique for releasing these emotions. We will also let go of the past traumas, which might aggravate as a pain or any kind of physical discomfort in our body, right? So let's see. So this is what we discussed yesterday. I've put a slide. So like, you can write these words in the bottle as it is written. You can get it printed anywhere. You can get it ordered from, Amazon, like Madam has done already. Okay. So the words that you can write, like I said, you can write love, gratitude, forgiveness, thank you, I love you, divine, eternal. Even you can write good health, right? If you're attracting good health, then why not drink the water which carries the energies of good health and healing? Okay, you can also write the word healing into the bottle, so that that energy is charged with the healing energies. Okay, so it will again work on the physical body. That's what you can do, right?
एक्सक्यूज मैम,
Hmm.
ये जो कोटेशन है ये हम पेपर में लिख के चिपका सकते हैं इसमें?
हाँ, लिख के
लेबल
चिपका
बना
सकते हैं. लाइक आई सेड, ले कि पेपर में लिख के चिपकाते, बट द मोमेंट वी वॉश द वाटर्स, उसमें से वर्ड्स
नहीं,
जो
ऊपर
है.
से वो सेलो टेप लगा देंगे ना, ट्रांसपेरेंट वाला.
हाँ हाँ,
जैसे
वो
हमारा
कर सकते
वो
हैं, यू
चलेगा
कैन.
ना, बिकॉज
हाँ
हमारे
हाँ
ऑफिस में जो ये देते हैं उसमें तो नेम लगा के वैसे ही चिपका के देते हैं, तो
हाँ
रहता है
हाँ
लॉन्ग है, तो
हाँ
ऐसे कर
हाँ,
सकते हैं ना.
वो डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं. यू कैन इधर राइट ऑन द बॉटल, और या पेपर लगा के आप लिख दो. एनीथिंग, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग विच वर्क्स फॉर यू.
ओके.
ठीक है. So first, before we start, I want you to write, like, you have already written 5 names yesterday. So today, can you just write 5 things that you are like uh, grateful for in your life, and 5 things which actually uh, which have certain emotions attached to it, like 5 people who with whom you are not able to either forgive, or you have a lot of emotional trauma with such people. So just write the names and write the emotion which is attached to that particular person or thing.
तो क्या करना है ये नेम लेके?
उसके साथ में जो इमोशन अटैच्ड है उस पर्सन के साथ में, वो इमोशन भी लिखना है। जैसे एंगर है, हेट्रेड है, रिजेंटमेंट है, लव भी हो सकता है, लव इज ऑल्सो एन इमोशन। सो कोई भी इमोशन अटैच जो इसके साथ में है वो लिखना है।
So we feel disappointed with them. Is that an emotion? It seems to be a concurrent theme for me.
You can write if you're disappointment, so why the disappointment? Disappointment is not exactly an emotion, right? So
Okay.
why the disappointment?
I have two, ma'am, anger and love.
Okay,
Some
anger
people
and love.
love.
Okay.
So not met expectation is also another form of disappointment only, right? So that is
Yes.
not also not an emotion.
Yes.
Yeah, these people should be alive or either ways.
Alive. Done. Shall we move forward? Done. Okay. Geet madam, done. So let's understand. Yeah. Okay. So let's understand this emotional release in Ho'oponopono. So emotional release first begins with awareness. Are you aware of such feeling, right? So I'll take the example of Vinita madam, like she said that disappointment and frustration. Why does that happen? Because you have set certain expectations, right? And if such people are not meeting their expectations, then you are feeling this emotion of disappointment, frustration, or even anger for that matter. Okay, so better emotion which will lay down to over expectation is anger,
Acha.
right? So, not everyone is similar, not everyone is equal, not everyone have a same level of intellect, right? There might be someone who is more intelligent, who is less intelligent, right? So once we set an expectation about something, because we have that knack कि हमें perfect रहना है, we have that tendency of being perfect all the time, and we expect कि हमारे surrounding में all the people who are there, in our own contact या inner circle, we will want them to be perfect in every aspect. Okay. And if that doesn't happen, because we have so much control over our own selves, and we tend to pass on these controls towards others as well, right? And you might not, you might do it without knowingly, it's awareness nahi rahega. because it's natural thing, you know. We have been like programmed like this to become like this. We have been programmed to become a perfectionist and to also, you know, have behave people in certain way that you have already set certain standards. Okay.
एक्सपेक्टेशन तो फिर ज्यादा ही होती है दूसरों से, आई गेस.
Exactly. So the first point in releasing these emotions, this emotional release is first point is being aware. The moment you are aware that you are expecting more than what he is capable of delivering, the moment you become aware of it, you will remove that particular expectation. ठीक है, अभी आपको पता है कि उसकी कैपेसिटी ही उतनी नहीं है. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक जो आपने बोला कि आपने अमेजन में बॉटल ऑर्डर किया, राइट, वो 1 लीटर का होगा आई गेस. आई विल टेल यू कि आप कल उसमें 1.5 लीटर का पानी भर के लाना. विल यू बी एबल टू डू इट? Okay, so everybody has their own capacity. So the moment you become aware कि उसकी ये capacity है, उसकी ये limit है, उससे ज़्यादा वो नहीं मतलब deliver कर पाएगा, the moment you become aware, you will release this particular emotion.
But मैम, resentment comes from the fact कि limitation कहाँ से intention से आती है कि करना ही नहीं है. तो वहीं पे तो वो disappointment आती है ना कि capacity.
हाँ, लेकिन वो तो हमारा point of view है ना, that is judgment कि उसको करना नहीं है.
हाँ, तो
maybe he is not able to understand the workflow properly. That is our judgment कि उसको करना नहीं है. Okay, so two things is very you know interconnected, correlated, like awareness without judgment.
तो मैम फिर तो हर एक किसी से अब एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं रखेंगे, हम ऐसे ही
नहीं,
बैठ
आप
रहेंगे ना.
एक्सपेक्टेशन रखो बट उनके कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से. यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कहाँ तक वो बंदा बंदी वो स्ट्रेच कर पाएगा. एंड दैट डज नॉट ओनली हैपन इन द ऑफिस, राइट, even at home, you know, sometimes we over expect from our children, we over expect from our parents, we over expect from our spouses कि उनको bare minimum ये सारी चीज तो मेरे लिए करना ही होगा.
हाँ, वही तो मतलब इतना तो एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है ना, फिर वो भी नहीं कर रहे तो फिर फायदा क्या है घर पे रहने का, साथ में रहने का, या ऑफिस में बोले कि भाई हम काम कर रहे हैं साथ में, और फिर हाथ खड़े कर दे कि तुम अच्छा करते हो तो तुम ही कर लो.
वही डिस्कनेक्ट वहीं पे ही होता है. सो इवन इफ यू नो, इवन इफ यू आर having that particular anger or resentment or frustration towards that, या फिर expectation, that too with judgment, वो सारी चीज रहने के बाद में भी if you are taking it and if you are like, you know, if you are harboring that particular emotion of resentment, of disappointment, of frustration, of first anger, then who is it harming? It is harming you or not?
Yes.
Are you getting that leg pain or not because of it? Are you getting that headache, that migraines or not because of it? Okay, the first person who gets affected due to this emotional trauma is self. दूसरों को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है.
पर उसको हम लेट गो करेंगे मैडम, तो फिर तो वो लोग हमें they will keep on continuously taking us for a ride.
नहीं, ये हम सोचते हैं because we apply our brain and we apply our logic. The moment you start forgiving them, okay, the moment you start you know, doing or working upon these emotional you know, trauma, the moment the person will start changing, his attitude, his feeling will towards you will definitely shift and change. ठीक है, इसीलिए आई आस्क्ड यू कि आपने जो एक्सरसाइज किया है वो एक्सरसाइज में हाउ इज द इमोशन दैट यू आर फीलिंग. ओके,
जिसमें मतलब जिनके साथ झगड़ा किया है उसका तो मैंने डाला नहीं कल, क्योंकि वो तो मेरे को बहुत रिजेंटमेंट है.
हाँ, तो आज डालना एंड जस्ट सी दैट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हाउ योर रिलेशनशिप इम्प्रूव. सो द मोमेंट यू इम्प्रूव योर रिलेशनशिप, द मोमेंट यू इम्प्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन, यू विल सी कि ये जो जजमेंट आता है, ये जो you know emotions आता है, negative emotions, you will change it. You know, you will be more productive because now you will not see from the angle of judging that particular person, but you will see from the angle of helping that particular person to deliver what you are wanting to have.
मेरे को चाहिए, मतलब जो गुस्सा है ना वो तो इतना है कि मेरे को अभी बात ही नहीं करनी है.
हाँ,
कहाँ हेल्प
वही
करे,
हमें
कहाँ वो
निकालना
करे,
है,
छोड़ो यार, करना ही नहीं है उसको. जब रिलेशन नहीं रखना है तो क्या फायदा. सब
वही
मेरे को
हमें चेंज
हमेशा
करना
करने
है.
का वो वाला थॉट प्रोसेस में मैं घूम रही हूँ. मतलब जो
हाँ,
आप जो जेन्युइन एंगर या डिसअपॉइंटमेंट जो बोले ना कि कुछ भी नहीं करना है उसको, तो क्या फायदा बात करने का।
तो आप सिर्फ
और
लेट गो कर दो, बट डोंट डोंट लेट दैट इमोशन सो मच अटैच टू यू दैट इट स्टार्ट हैम्परिंग योर ओन फिजिकल सेल्फ or your own emotional state.
so the pain which I'm feeling, you feel is because of an accumulation of these things.
Any pain is emotional in nature. It is not physical pain. Any pain, all the pains is emotional in nature. It starts with negative emotions. It starts with all the emotions which we keep on harboring. Okay, later on it takes a shape of a disease.
सुरुचि मैम, इनके लिए वो एक बुक है ना, यू कैन हील योर लाइफ।
लुइस सेखा।
हाँ, उसमें वही सब है। रेकी में भी यही इसके पार्ट्स जो है, यू
कोई
कैन
भी आप
हील
बुक
योर
पढ़ लो
बॉडी।
गीत मैडम, एवरीबडी विल से आज के दिन में साइंस इज आल्सो प्रूव कि 99% जो हम बॉडी में फील करते हैं विच इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ डिजीज,
हाँ, यू
99% ऑफ
कैन।
एवरीथिंग इज इमोशनल नेचर, सब
हाँ,
साइकोसोमैटिक है।
उसमें उसमें बुक में पूरा पूरा एक पूरा आई थिंक 18 या 20 पेजेस है। यू कैन हील योर बॉडी के अंदर इंक्लूड किया गया है। यू कैन हील योर लाइफ का जो नया पार्ट आया है ना, उसमें है कि आपके आपके जो इमोशंस से जो कुछ भी है, उसके बदौलत आपके बॉडी में क्या क्या डिसीज हो सकते हैं, कि कहाँ से आप सफर कर रहे हो, तो वो क्यों कर रहे हैं, वो सारा अंदर इसमें बहुत अच्छे डिटेल्स में, और रेकी में ये सिखाते भी है ये बुक का। ये बुक
एग्जैक्टली।
की
सो
वो
मैं वही
सारा।
बोल रही हूँ कि इवन दो यू माइट फील इट इज वेरी वेरी इफ यू स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग योर लॉजिकल माइंड, यू विल फील कि ये तो इम्पॉसिबल है, जिसके साथ मुझे देखना ही उसको पसंद नहीं है, अगर वो मेरे सामने आ जाता है, आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग एंगर, आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट इमोशनल ड्रामा ट्रॉमा इन माई एंटायर एनर्जी फील्ड, और मैं डिप्रेस हो जाती हूँ। वो चीज चेंज करना इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी, बट देन व्हेन आई हैव सेड, आई हैव बीन सेइंग टिल सिंस यस्टरडे एंड टुडे अगेन आई विल से दैट जहाँ पे लॉजिक आता है वहां पे मैजिक वैनिशेस। ओके, द आइडिया ऑफ होपनोपोनो इज नॉट वन डे, डूइंग दिस प्रैक्टिस फॉर वन डे, इट इज द आइडिया इज self transforming yourself to an extent कि any such issues it might arise in the future, you are still at your own, you have all the power, you have not given your own powers to anyone else to make you feel depressed. Just imagine, I mean, हम अपने लाइफ लीड करते हैं बट यू हैव गिवन पावर एंड कंट्रोल ओवर समवन एल्स टू मेक यू फील हैप्पी और सैड। हाउ सैड इज दैट?
नहीं मतलब वही तो कि एंगर है, पर यू फील कि ठीक है, यू हैव जस्ट डिस्कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन।
हाँ, दैट्स ओके, इवन इफ यू डिस्कनेक्ट तो दैट्स ओके, बट वो जो एंगर रह गया है उसको भी तो ठीक करना होगा ना। एंड हेंस फोर्थ उसके जगह पे कोई दूसरा पर्सन नहीं आए तो आर यू हार्बरिंग द सेम थॉट्स फीलिंग्स इमोशंस? अगर उसका द nature of work that he is delivering is also the same, then again you will start feeling anger, resentment, disappointment, frustration for this particular person. Again you will bear all these things in your own body, you will carry it again for the ages. ना वो बंदा को भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, वो भी चला गया, ना थर्ड पर्सन comes again, so it is an ongoing process, right? ये कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. So are you self transforming your own self to an extent where all these things does not affect you at all? You have the full power and control over on yourself, your emotions, that कोई भी, if you want to be happy, you be happy, if you want to be sad, you be sad. No third person can come and make Binita ji sad or Shivani sad or Geet sad. No third person can make you depressed. No third person can make you angry. If you want to feel that anger, it should be your own self. Okay, it's only that we give control over other people that they rule us. They start ruling us and they start giving us these irritations, these angers, but it does not make any difference in their life. It makes difference in our life. So the process of Ho'oponopono, it says that it is a continuous process. The moment you keep on doing it for a certain period of time, you come to an extent, you make your energy body so strong that all such things does not affect you at all. Okay.
बेसिकली लॉजिक को साइड में रख दो, ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करो।
Yes, logic तो कोई भी modality में, if you start applying your logical mind, magic vanishes. It is not only in Ho'oponopono, but in other things as well. Other things as well,
मेक सेंस।
right? So Ho'oponopono, it it has a very profound, and there are hundreds, millions of cases which have actually helped people to come out of their emotional release. You know, there have been people who have come to me who's जो बिल्कुल they don't want to release, only release ही नहीं करना चाहते, because now they have come to an extent कि the anger, the emotion anger has started loving that person. That's what I say, that you have kept that particular emotion so much into your house. Now that emotion also does not want to go away from you. And when we do these exercises, they start crying, you know. So वो भी होता है, because they don't want to let go. अब कोई अच्छा you know guest होता है, so we always don't want them to go, right?
You're
want
used to
them
that
to-
person, you're used to that emotion now, so वो
Yes, yes.
छोड़ा नहीं जाता है kind of.
Exactly. तो उसको घर दे दिया है, वो इमोशन भी खुश है कि उसको तो घर मिल गया है एक फ्री का रहने के लिए, एंड आपको भी अच्छा लगता है कि आपको साथी मिल गया है. Nobody wants to be alone, right? Yeah. Okay. So the first thing is being aware. Are you aware of such emotions and why it is arousing? Are you going to the root cause of why? Like I said, कि हर एक resentment, frustration, disappointment will eventually lead to an emotion which is more stronger, is anger. Okay. So the moment you start getting aware of such emotions कि अच्छा ये emotion है इस particular बंदे के साथ में, which is what you have written right now, कि this person, this emotion. So if that is there, then the moment you start being aware, now since you are aware, what you will do? The first thing, naturally you will take responsibility कि जो भी whatever differences is there, I take 100% responsibility. Maybe I have done, I have given the, I have over expected everything. So you take the 100% responsibility, and without any judgment, you are releasing these emotions. That's the entire process. First, being aware, then second, taking 100% responsibility, and third, without any logical mind or without any judgment, you are simply letting it go and releasing. Okay, so you are not releasing the person from your life, rather you are releasing that particular emotion from your life. Right? Any question? Making sense? Okay, so the moment you, yes.
मैम अवेयरनेस का मतलब जो क्या मतलब प्रॉब्लम है, दैट आई शुड नो द कॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. कि सपोज मैं किसी के ऊपर एंगर हूँ, व्हाई इट इज दैट इज अवेयरनेस.
Yes, awareness is
कम टू नो.
only, exactly, awareness का मतलब ही यही होता है, knowledge of the situation or fact.
हाँ,
You have that
एक
knowledge.
बार जब मुझे पता चल गया बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग आई एम एंग्री विथ समवन व्हाटएवर, उसके बाद मुझे विदाउट जज करना है उसको, उसके बाद मुझे प्रेयर करना है.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके दैट आई शुड डू ना.
Yes. जैसे मैं विनीता जी का फिर से एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ, जैसे अभी उनको पता है कि उनको फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, एंगर है. ओके, नाउ शी नो कि उनका ओवर एक्सपेक्टेशन था जिसकी वजह से ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन, एंगर, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है. ओके, ठीक है. फिर उनके बाद में उनका क्या क्वेश्चन था कि उनको करना ही नहीं है. सो दैट इज द जजमेंट. So when you go into judgment, you will not be able to release your emotions, right?
Emotions.
So don't go into the judgment. उसको करना है नहीं करना है, that is his choice. Don't go into that judgment. Without any judgment, you are letting go of that particular emotion. जो emotion आप hold करके रखे हो, for whatever reason it is, you're simply letting it go. Okay, and that's how you will be able to, release your emotions, and you will be able to transform your own self. Okay, so without judgment भी जब हम बोलते हैं, it is a process of forming an opinion. क्योंकि हमें, we have been taught, we have been programmed. शुरू से हमें बोला जाता है हर चीज का बारे में हमें opinion होना चाहिए, हर चीज के बारे में opinion होना चाहिए. Whether good or bad, we should have always evaluate things. We should always, compare things. We should always form an opinion. All these things we should be doing because we have been programmed. What if you live a life without any judgment? Just imagine how beautiful it would be. अगर कोई जजमेंट ही नहीं है, you are highly conscious about everything. And you without the judgment, you tend to accept each and everything, each and every people into your life. The problem arises when you start judging people.
और मैडम जज तो करना पड़ेगा ना, साथ में काम
वही
कर
मैं
रहे हैं,
बोल रही हूँ,
साथ
क्योंकि
में
हमें
रह रहे
सिखाया
हैं।
वही गया है, हमें सिखाया वही गया है,
मैडम
टेंडेंसी वही है.
if they
First
don't
thing
do
that
work, I
comes
have
into
to
the
do
mind.
work.
हाँ.
मतलब ये तो है ना कि मैं घर में रह रही हूँ, खाना है, पीना है, पानी तो भरना है बाहर से, तो if they don't do, I have to do. जजमेंट कहाँ आता है
इसमें तो जजमेंट नहीं है.
हाँ तो पर नहीं करता है, बैठा रहता है, तो फिर
वही
अपने
मैं
को ही
बोल रही हूँ कि
करना
वो
पड़ता
उनकी
है।
चॉइस है, वो उनकी
अरे तो
चॉइस है,
उनकी
उसको
चॉइस
नहीं
को
करना.
मेरे पे क्यों लाते हैं? फिर मैं पानी भरती हूँ तो मेरा पी जाते हैं, फिर अपना खुद का नहीं करते हैं. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. हाउ कैन आई नॉट जज? बिकॉज
राइट द नेम्स इन द बॉटल की ये विनीता का है, ये फलाना का है, एंड देन
नहीं होता है ना मैम ऐसे. कभी घर पे कुछ खाना आता है तो ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि मैं अपना सब अपने कबर्ड में ताला रख के रखूंगी. दैट इज नॉट चीप. यू कैन नॉट लिव योर लाइफ लाइक दैट. वो फिर खा जाते हैं, क्या करने का?
Just bless
दैट इज
them.
दैट
Bless
इज नॉट
them.
जजमेंट. इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि सारा इरादा ही नहीं है काम करने का. मम्मी पापा के लिए कुछ करना होता है तो करना होता है, नहीं करेंगे. मॉम इज नॉट वेल, उनको डॉक्टर के यहाँ ले जाना है तो नहीं करते, तो आई हैव टू टेक. मैं मेरे से तो मैं तो सोचती भी नहीं कि ऐसा करने का, कि मैं वेट करो कि चलो करे. देन इट एंड्स अप कि ओनली आई एम डूइंग इट, nobody else is doing it. So is that resentment? It is what? I do not know.
That that feeling ki only I am doing it, nobody else is doing it, that is making you become more resentful. That is making you become more anger, and then you start getting into that judgment कि वो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं, stuff like that.
Yes, but
stuff like that.
it's a fact. 10 साल हो गए, कुछ भी नहीं किया, सब मैं करती हूँ, तो फिर ऐसा लगता है ना कि अरे यार
अब कब?
पर
अब कब?
मैम जैसे
अब कब?
ये जब बता रहा है, सेम थिंग मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ मेरा है. बट यहाँ एक डिफरेंस ऐसे है, आई एम वेरी मच परफेक्शनिस्ट हूँ, मुझे परफेक्शन चाहिए. उनका काम परफेक्शन नहीं है, इसलिए मैं सब कुछ मैं करती हूँ. एंगर भी तब हो जाती है कि प्रेशर ले लेती हूँ ना मैं, तो उनको ब्लेम नहीं कर सकती. ही इज रेडी टू डू, बट तुमको पसंद नहीं है मेरा काम, तो इससे तुम ही करो. तो एक ग्लास उठाया तो वहीं पे रहना चाहिए. इतना परफेक्शन हूँ मैं, तो हर कोई तो मेरे जैसे, मुझे उनके तरह होना पड़ेगा. एग्जैक्टली इसलिए मैं एंगर हो जाती हूँ, झगड़ा भी होता है, इसी वजह वो चुपचाप बैठे रहते हैं. भाई तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है.
Yes, so first thing in both your cases, the first thing that you need to do is Ho'oponopono on your own self first.
Yeah.
Okay, because you're not taking things as they are, you are wanting something else to happen. आपका वो expectation है कि
मैं जैसे हूँ वैसे करो.
Exactly, आपका expectation है कि आपको ऐसी ही चीजें चाहिए, उनका expectation है कि वो ख्याल रखें, right?
उनका कैपेसिटी जो है वो करते हैं. उनका काम है गिलास मैंने यहाँ से उठाया, गिलास यहीं पे रहेगा. अब तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है गिलास यहाँ रखना, तुम जाकर एग्जैक्टली जिस प्लेस से उठाया उस प्लेस पे रखो.
Exactly. So I can understand. I can totally understand. Even I was also like that before. मतलब I had transformed myself. So now अब मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ग्लास अगर X से Y जगह पे भी हो जाता है, अगर मेरे पास टाइम है तो मैं रख देती हूँ, अदरवाइज इट्स देयर.
जब नहीं होता है तब थोड़ा सा हो जाता है ना.
हाँ, exactly. So you will have to first do Ho'oponopono on your own self, so that you come out of that extra perfectionist, that extra over expectation from each and everything and everyone into your
जैसे
life.
खाने का कोई सामान लाओ, स्नैक्स वगैरह पूरा खत्म कर देगा, मेरे लिए रखेगा नहीं. वो तो तुम टाइम देख के खाओगी, तुम्हारे लिए तो हम वेट नहीं करेंगे ना. हम तो खा देंगे, फिर लाके देंगे. बस चालू हो जाता है तभी. क्यों लाके देना है? जो है शेयर करके खाना है ना. तुम्हारा टाइम है, मुहूर्त देखोगे, इस टाइम खाना है, उस टाइम खाना है. हम तो मुहूर्त नहीं देखते भाई, हमको अच्छा लगा खा के, खत्म हो गया लाके देंगे.
Exactly. So the first thing that you need to do है कि आपको खुद का transformation करने के लिए first thing Ho'oponopono should be done on your own self. So tell me, like I said, कि you write 5 things or 5 people into your name. How many of you have written your own self? Have you added your own self? Yes or no? विनीता
सबसे
जी has
पहले
added.
अपना नाम कल भी सबसे पहले किया था अपने पे,
Great.
आज भी लिखा,
Great, great, great.
क्योंकि
शिवानी
मैं
जी
अपने आप
आपने?
से तो सबसे ज्यादा फाइट करती हूँ।
नहीं, प्रेयर तो पहले अपने पे ही करती हूँ।
नहीं,
Then
आपने कल नाम लिखा अपना
नहीं
फुल
नहीं
लिस्ट में?
नहीं
नहीं लिखा.
No.
So you know because we always tend to see कि मुझे दूसरों को बदलना है, right?
हाँ
बिकॉज ये फोकस, हमारी फोकस ही वही रहती है, तो आपका फोकस ही
या
शिफ्ट करने की जरूरत है कि आपको खुद को पहले ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. एंड द मोमेंट यू ट्रांसफॉर्म योर ओन सेल्फ, थिंग्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज. आपको उस मेहनत भी नहीं करनी पड़ेगी दूसरों को चेंज करने की.
ओके
And that
राइट
will happen. You know, you keep a rotten apple in a apple tray, everything will get rot.
यस
है ना? So it's the first thing that you need to do is Ho'oponopono on your own self.
सेल्फ
Okay. Yes. And that too without any judgment and with full awareness that why you are doing it. You want to transform your own self. You want to change these habits, you know, these negative emotions. So today's task, you know, whatever would come later on, the first task that I will give you today, that you know, for your own self, okay, you write down all the emotions that you want to let go for your own self, all the emotions. Over perfectionist, lot of expectations from others, ठीक है,
या
anger, frustration, everything, each and every emotion that you want to release for your own self.
यस
So the moment you are aware of the things around you, you embrace it with love and compassion. And if you do it without any judgment, you allow these emotions to flow freely and release their hold on you. Okay. Remember
So
one thing, the people does not hold you. Okay. It is always the emotions which hold you and which have the control on you. Okay. So how many emotions are having control on you, which is not letting you let go, you know, of the negativity around you? You know, how many emotions are there which is holding you, which is not allowing you to be happy, which is allowing you to fully live a life, you know, freely like a bird. All the emotions that is binding you somewhere or the other. So list down all those emotions for your own self. Okay. Now you have written down the emotions, list of emotions.
so ego will also be an emotion, right?
Yes.
And disappointment is emotion, or over expectation is emotion, or both are?
Disappointment is also an emotion. Yeah. Over expectation is your, it is not exactly an emotion, but it is a kind of a behavior, I would say.
I'm keeping it because I feel that's something which is
desiredness or something.
Pardon?
Desiredness, that expectation.
Yes, expectation and desires are the same.
so it is okay to have expectation. The problem is with over expectation. That is
Yes.
why I kept over expectation. I mean, you cannot survive without having expectations, right?
Yes. Yes.
What else can be there?
Okay. Now, just in the list of emotion, you might have written 10, 20, 50, whatever emotions you have written down. Just pick up one or two emotion which is strongest that you want to release right now, which is strongest. Okay. So in the scale of 1 to 10, okay, 10 being the highest energy and the 1 being the lowest, pick up one or two emotion which is strongest in your, for energy. Yes, Shivani ma'am.
ओवर एक्सर्शन भी हो सकता है ना इसमें, एक
It is
इमोशंस
exhaustion. Yes. Yes.
हाँ
Yes.
yeah, my actually exhaustion is the main emotion, you know, because I wanted to do very perfection उसमें, और मेरे से होता नहीं है तो exhaustion हो जाते हैं, तो frustrated हो जाते, then I start to चिल्लाना, धमकाना, you're nothing, you're good for nothing, and all those languages come
Right.
because
Right.
of this. So exhaustion is main.
Exactly.
इसको yeah.
Okay. So just circle one or two emotions which is very, very, strong, which you actually want to release right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, just rate that particular emotion. Rate it. जो भी आपने circle किया, I just rate it in a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. Okay, done. Geet madam, Benita madam, Shushma, have you done? Done, Benita ji?
मैम सॉरी, कोई आ गया था। ये
कोई बात नहीं।
दो पीक इमोशन मैंने पकड़े, उसके बाद मुझे क्या करना था?
You will have to choose जो भी highest value rating का you with
हाँ, वो चूज कर लिया।
वो choose कर लिया. So in a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest, just rate that particular
हाँ,
emotion.
वो भी लिख लिया, वो कर
लिख
लिया।
लिया ना? Okay, done. Okay. Okay. So are you ready for the exercise? Great, great. And Benita ji, just without thinking, without any logical mind, just whatever emotion you have circled, just tell me in one word, yes or no, whether that emotion is attached to your pain.
कैसे पता चलेगा मैम? It is anger
I'm
and
saying
loneliness.
don't think about it. Only one no logic. Just just focus on your awareness and ask whether it is associated with your pain, yes or no.
Yeah, difficult to say, ma'am. I will say I do not really know.
Okay, not a problem. Right, but you will be
How will
aware.
I
You'll
know,
be
ma'am?
aware.
How will I know? It is just I have to just.
There are some things which we know because we just know.
हाँ, वो
Okay.
मेरे को logically सीधा emotional reaction ही देना था, है ना?
Exactly, हाँ.
I started getting into the logic, so then I'm
Yes,
confused.
yes, that's why I
Got it.
said without any logic,
हाँ.
without you, there are certain things which you
Instant
know.
पहला जो answer एक second सोचे बिना दे
Exactly.
देना था.
Yes, yes,
Then it was yes.
yes, yes, था ना?
फिर मैंने
Okay.
बोला कि yes कैसे? वो
Okay.
answer
So,
जैसे yes float होता है, फिर होता है कि अरे how can that be yes kind of.
Yeah. Because lot of things, every time we have been conditioned to think from our mind and have things like logical, answer to each and every question. But believe me, जितने भी miracles, जितने भी inventions, okay, जितने भी miracles वर्ल्ड में होते हैं, it is all beyond logic, all beyond logic.
Makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah. So all the inventors, if you look at their story, जहाँ से electricity भी बना था Newton, like 99 times he failed. Okay. Everyone, including his parents, have also said कि whatever you're doing is a farce. You'll not be able to do anything. कुछ काम नहीं आएगा, कुछ workout नहीं आएगा. Still, there was one awareness which he says that उसको पता है he's doing the right thing. Okay. And ये work करेगा. So that was the only thing. And that's what's beyond logic. And that's how today we are having electricity in our houses.
True. Even DNA का sequencing भी सपने में ही आया था, कैसे आया पता नहीं.
Everything. So, everything, everywhere these things happen, it is beyond logic. Okay. And it is a truth. It is the truth. Whether you believe it or not.
नहीं, मतलब वो रुक जाता है. We are so conditioned कि दिमाग नहीं
Exactly. Even I was like that. Honestly, I was like that totally. Because I can resonate with these energies, और मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा logical mind से काम करती थी. I was an ex-banker, right? So just imagine, a person who has worked
exactly,
in
हाँ, completely figures and database भी होते हैं, तो उसके बिना दिमाग नहीं चलता है.
हाँ, so वो रहता ही है, वो होता ही है. But I have also made, I have also reprogrammed, I would say, not rather programmed, but I have reprogrammed myself to live a life without any judgment.
Yes, it is a journey.
So it is a journey, it is a process. मुझे भी लगे हैं इतना time, मतलब it's been 12 years now, so that it's a journey. You have to do it continuously to come to that particular stage. Okay. So मुझे 12 साल लगे because I was just finding solutions everywhere. आपको कम समय लग सकता है because now you know, you are aware.
And we listen to you, सही है.
Great. So that's the thing, right? So let's start. We will do this simple, technique, okay, of releasing this particular emotion, जो भी emotion है. So whenever I'll say whatever emotion, you will have to focus on those 1 or 2 emotions which you have circled, okay? And Binita ji, you are also being aware that with the release of these emotions, your pain is also getting released. Okay. And when I keep on saying these Ho'oponopono, I will also keep into the mind that this pain, whichever you are having right now, okay, it is for everyone, not only Binita ji, for every one of you. If you are feeling any kind of discomfort, any kind of pain, you have to just without using your mind, without using your brains, without using your logic, just take 100% responsibility. You take 100% responsibility for everything that has been happening to you in the form of pain, in the form of physical discomfort. You take all the responsibility for it, and now you are all ready to let it go. Okay, so we will start with this. Now you will have to keep your eyes closed until such time I'll tell you to open your eyes. If you want to drink water, just drink water so that you are hydrated, and then we will begin. Are you able to hear very light music? Is the music very loud or something like that?
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मैम म्यूजिक तो.
Okay. Are you able to hear now?
Yes, ma'am. Now
is it very loud or is it okay?
It is okay.
very light है थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, लाइट ही चाहिए
बहुत लाइट,
because you are able to hear my voice as
वेरी
well as
क्लियरली
me.
मैम। हाँ, फिर
Okay.
आपका वॉइस नहीं सुनाई देगा इससे
हाँ
लाउड होगा तो
हाँ,
इट इज
so
गुड।
ये एकदम लाइट ही चाहिए मुझे बैकग्राउंड में,
हाँ हाँ, वो सही
not
है, अभी
much.
मैम सुनाई दे रहा था सही।
सुनाई दे रहा है ना? Okay, great. Because the moment you will close your eyes, you will be able to hear both the sounds properly. Okay, so close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Just be aware of the emotion, whichever emotions you want to let go right now. Just be aware of that emotion and the discomfort it is giving into your body. Just be aware of that as well. Now just imagine that there is a warm healing light which is green in color and it has surrounded your entire body and it is penetrating deep into your entire body. Every cell of your body is being washed with this green light, which is very, very light green. And it is removing all the physical pain, discomfort from your body, out of your body. It is washing all the traces of pain, of negativity, which is holding you back into your body. And you are simply letting it go, letting it go, letting it go. And now be aware of your energy field and just keep on expanding your energy field beyond the room you are in, beyond the entire society, beyond the entire city you are in, beyond the entire India, entire world you are in. And your energy is now expanded to an infinite source beyond the entire universe. You feel that expansion. And now slowly just let those emotions which is holding you captive, just let it pass through your own body. However big it might be, because you are an infinite energy, you are an infinite being, you simply allow these emotions to pass through you into the universe. Just let it all pass through you. You can just feel and imagine that this word is passing through your entire body and it is going out into the universe, and you can see it getting vanished. Like a balloon, it is just drifting off in the sky until it vanishes totally. One by one, just release all of these emotions. It is passing through you and letting it release high up in the air like a balloon, and it is completely disappearing from your eyesight. Now take a moment and reflect on any past traumas, any past pains, memories which is associated with it. It is in the form of magnetic imprints into your energy. So now allow to release all those magnetic imprints. Let it pass through you. Again, in a form of a balloon, it is passing through you and out of your entire body. And it is just vanishing up in the air, in the sky, in the universe, until it is completely out of your sight. Take a deep breath and again release any further magnetic imprints which is still holding you captive. As you exhale, simply release each and every molecules which is associated with these emotions and release it completely. Now inhale, and as you exhale, you are further releasing all the magnetic imprints of these particular emotions. And now when you inhale and when you exhale, just exhale, and as you exhale, you also exhale all the pain from your body which is associated with this particular emotion. And as you do it, that part of the body is becoming brighter and brighter. And again inhale, and as you exhale, you can again see that all the pain which is associated with this particular emotion is getting released. In a form of balloon, it is just getting released out of the sky, out of your sight, and that part is becoming brighter and brighter. And as you continue to do it, you feel liberated from inside as you release each and every emotion from your body, from your mind, from your soul, fully, completely, permanently, thoroughly, and with lot of conviction right now. Again inhale slowly and exhale, and as you exhale, all the magnetic imprints, all the memories which is associated with this pain into your body, all the awarenesses which is associated with this pain of the body is getting released further into the vast sky, and you feel that part is becoming more lighter and more brighter. And now, in your mind, just repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility of all these emotions which now I want to release. And as you say, I want to release, you actually release it. Remove it completely from your life. And as you do it, you repeat, I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. As you say these emotions, all the magnetic imprints are getting released, and you are being fully, completely free as a tree, free as a bird, and you feel liberation inside your body, your mind, your soul. When you release all the memories which is associated with these emotions. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. If you are feeling any kind of pain or discomfort, just say, thank you, pain. I am sorry, I have not taken that good care of that part of my body, due to which pain has arisen. I'm really sorry for not maintaining good health. I'm really sorry for not maintaining the standards of my physical body. I'm very sorry for making it overwork, overthink, over-expect. I take 100% responsibility for this pain. And now I want to release it. I want to be liberated. And I also thank you from the bottom of my heart that in spite of all the discomfort, you have continued to help me in my journey. You have continued to contribute into my life. You have continued to put up with my high expectation, put up with my high energy. You have contributed to me in every single way that you can. I'm really thankful for that, and I love you. Now I own my body, now I claim my body, and I release all the negative emotions attached with it. Thank you. Now, just to make sure that all these emotions have completely released, continue saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, until you feel total liberation from your heart. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Slowly come back to your body. Come back to the place you are in. Come back to the room you are in. Come back to your consciousness, your awareness, and as you come back, mentally affirm you are healthy, you are happy, you are contented, you have no buzzing sound in your ears. And you are completely present here and right now. Slowly, whenever you are comfortable, you can open your eyes with a smile.
I didn't even know I had shoulder pain. That is gone.
Great,
And
great.
leg pain has reduced a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Around 20% जितना reduce हुआ है.
Great, great, great,
So
great.
I will have to work on this. I think बहुत ही इकट्ठा करके घूम रही हूँ मैं.
Knowingly, unknowingly, we all do it, Vinita ji. We all do it.
Leg में नहीं गया मैं अभी, but
कोई बात नहीं, वो चला जाएगा. So you know, when once I share this recording tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can do this part of these exercise again and again, so that you feel more liberated and you're actually able to release completely. So the idea is to transform yourself 100%, right? You don't stop at 10%, 20%. So when you demand perfectionist from people, so demand that from your own self. You know, when you are sitting to transform your own self, demand that you should be transforming full 100%. You know, not just satisfied with 10, 20, 50. or 80% as well.
हाँ या मैं आई वांट टू शेयर वन थिंग जो ये
Yes.
पेन का है ना, जैसे आपने बोला ना, जो हमारा जो एंगर है जो भी है उसके थ्रू, बिकॉज मेरा डॉक्टर बत्रा से मेरा होम्योपैथिक चल रहा है ना पेन मैनेजमेंट का, वो उधर जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट है वो सेम क्वेश्चन मेरे को किया है
अच्छा।
ये सब। हाँ, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग जब मेरा ट्रिगर कर जाता है ना ये सब, तब वो बता अभी टेंशन में अभी क्या झगड़ा किया, अभी क्या किया, हम तो वो भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन करते हैं।
हाँ,
तो
exactly.
हाँ, ये इसी के थ्रू ही हमको पेन है।
Right.
जब भी
So,
मैं विजिट पे जाती हूँ, मैं कंप्लीटली परफेक्ट रहती हूँ, मैं बोलती हूँ इस बार तुम्हें पेन कहाँ गया पता ही नहीं है, बोलते इस बार गुस्सा नहीं किया ना। ऐसे बोलते
exactly,
डॉक्टर। तो मुझे
exactly.
लगा जब आप उनको बता रहे थे ना, मुझे वो रिकॉल हो रहा था कि डॉक्टर भी मुझे ऐसे ही बोलते हैं।
राइट। सो कोई भी मेडिसिन ऐसा नहीं है जो एक्चुअली में इट विल वर्क ऑन योर फिजिकल बॉडी, लेकिन आपके इमोशंस जो है वो स्टिल वहाँ पे रहेंगे until unless you transform your own emotions. Okay, so the moment you transform it, you will not feel all this kind of pains. You'll not feel. There was a point of time in my life, some when I was working, I would say, when I was working in the bank, some 2015, 14 उस समय का ये बात है. Whenever I used to wake up in the morning, मतलब instantly ऐसा नहीं है कि I used to wake up, I used to stand up on my feet and I used to walk. There was the problem because the moment I wake up and I put my feet down and I stand up, there was so terrible pain in my feet. Like I used to sit down for a while and once everything is okay, after 5-10 minutes the pain has gone, then only I would be able to start working. और ऐसा होता था कि the instantly if I work and if I go, if somebody is like banging the door, if I have to go and open the door, I used to just cry out and I used to go towards the door because the pain was very very heavy, right? And today I can proudly say that I don't have any such problem. I don't have. Okay. So the moment I became aware that it is all due to my own self, the moment I start transforming, today I'm totally okay. I can just, wake up and instantly I can stand up and run. So it's that simple for me. Okay. And believe me, all the pain, it is all the pain, 100% pain in the body is psychosomatic in nature. Nothing physical, nothing physical. It is all emotional in nature. All emotional. Great. So thank you so much, Vinita ji and Shivani, for sharing. Geet madam, would you like to share anything?
सच बताऊं,
Hmm.
आपने जो ये स्टार्ट किया ना, मैं तो सोच रही थी
How does it get even
पता
better
नहीं
than
क्यों
that?
आपकी आवाज इतनी मुझे सूदिंग लग रही थी, लग रही थी, माइंड एकदम से जब आप बोल रहे थे ना ये सब रिलीज करो, ये सब रिलीज करो, तब पता चला अबे यार क्या
Right.
रिलीज
तो
करना था।
आप
आप
नींद
एक
में
बार
भी कर रहे, so when you are in sleep, it is not exactly sleep because the moment I stopped, you woke up, so it was a trance.
हाँ,
So once you are in a trance, also you release most of the things, right?
आप ये जो वीडियो आपने रिलीज करने का वो सब किया ना, वो एक बार सेंड कर देना, हाँ,
हाँ, वो
ताकि मैं
रिकॉर्डिंग
उसको
आपको
सुन
मिलेगा
सुन
तो
के वो करूंगी, क्योंकि मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि अब एकदम रिलैक्स फील हो गई मैं।
ग्रेट 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 ग्रेट।
मुझे लगा कि मैं सो ही गई हूँ, जैसे आवाज सुन सुन के ऐसा लगा।
Wow, wow, great. Okay, so now I would ask you a question, right? Right. So you have written the intensity, like on a scale of 1 to 10, you have written the intensity of the emotion that you are feeling. Now I want you to rate again in a scale of 1 to 10. How is that particular rating now? Are you feeling that same level of anger, resentment, frustration, disappointment, or is that it has subsided? So I want to know what is the difference like.
डिफरेंस है मैम, बिकॉज मैंने 9 दिया था,
Mm-hmm.
तो पता नहीं अभी तो कुछ है नहीं, मैं तो एकदम काम हो गई है, तो हो सकता है
Okay,
जब
so
4 और
0 आ
5
गया है
या
4 और
नॉट
5
जीरो
में आ रहा
एग्जैक्टली
है.
4
Okay,
5 है,
but 4-5 में आ
9
गया
से
है, right?
9 से 4
Hmm.
5 में हूँ।
Wow,
मे बी एक दो
wow,
बार ये एक्सरसाइज करूंगी तो 0 पे आ जाऊंगी,
definitely, definitely. Vinita ji,
क्योंकि
what
माइंड
about
में
you?
मैंने मेकअप कर लिया
Mm-hmm.
ना कि बिकॉज आई हैव टू एक्सेप्ट ऑल दोस
Mm-hmm.
थिंग्स, ना कि मेरा
Exactly.
है जो,
Right,
तो इसलिए
right.
मैं 4 5 पे आ गया, और एक दो बार ये करूंगी तो 0 पे आ जाएगा पक्का।
Definitely,
यस।
definitely. What about you, Vinita ma'am? How are you? Like, what's the rating?
From 9 to
મને ખબર છે
6.
આવે
पे-
ના કે
Yeah, from 9 to, sorry,
6.
6. Okay, great. So that's a quite good change, you know. अगर वो भी है, so just imagine, you know, the moment you start to continue this, ये जो particular emotion है which is still, you know, lingering emotion जो हम बोलेंगे, you know, अगर 6 में 5 में है, so that is a lingering emotion, right? So it will also go.
I guess
Okay.
तभी फिर ये भी पेन भी रिलीज होगा कि
Definitely,
अभी भी वो
definitely,
है. हाँ,
definitely,
it is.
definitely. So the moment you release it completely, you know, the moment you transform yourself to a point like अभी कुछ भी ऐसा trigger होने वाला चीज आता है, still you are not feeling triggered, you are not feeling that anger or resentment or disappointment, then you will start to, you know, have that particular जो बोलते हैं ना कि free as a bird, free as a tree. That's how you'll become. That now you will not be attached to any particular emotion, you will be completely free. And once you become completely free, ये जो pain है, discomfort है in the body, it all goes away. Right? Yes, Geet madam, you want to say something?
मेरा फिजिकल जो बॉडी है ना वो बहुत अच्छे से काम हो गया, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगा। और लेट गो, फॉरगिवनेस मेरे में बहुत आ गया है, फॉरगिवनेस
Great.
कि नहीं मैं जाने दूं, बस जाने दूं, जो भी है सामने वाला जो करता है वो उनका कर्मा है, मैं फॉरगिव करूं और मैं अपने कर्म में और अपना जो लाइफ लाइन का अपना जो मोटो है वो उनको फॉलो करूं। मुझे वो बहुत पसंद आ रहा है और ये सब मैंने आपसे बहुत सीखा है। प्राणी में सीखा, आपके पास सेशन लेने आती हूँ ना तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा है। तो अभी भी मुझे ये मैं यही कर रही हूँ, फॉरगिवनेस, बस जितना भी इमोशंस रिलीज हो वो अच्छा है मेरे लिए।
Great. Right.
और अब मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आता है, जो एक्सेस बार का किया था और वो किया था ना आपके पास बॉडी का पूरा, उसके बाद मुझे गुस्सा बहुत कम आता है।
Wow. Wow.
और ये शायद तो ये जो वर्कशॉप है वो कदाच लाइफ चेंजिंग भी हो जाए मेरे लिए।
होगा, definitely होगा,
हाँ,
definitely होगा. It is a transformation, you know, workshop. It is not a kind of a एक थेरेपी नहीं है कि मैंने दे दिया आप ये कर लो 10 बार, दिन में आपका काम खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद यू नो 5 दिन तक कर लो, वैसा कुछ नहीं है. इट्स नॉट नथिंग लाइक दैट. इट इज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग इट इनटू योर you know life, the life will get to transform.
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हाँ जी हाँ जी।
Okay, so what else? Okay, so I want to know as a group, like, do you have any painful memories or traumas which you want to release right now? Do you have that? Yes, no?
हाँ,
So there is
बहुत होते हैं।
again there is one beautiful exercise. So if you want to carry on, if you have certain painful memories or any kind of past traumas which you want to release from your life completely, we can do this exercise. It is very powerful exercise and it will actually help you to release that.
Yeah, let us do that.
है ना? Okay.
And even
So
if some traumas you don't even know that you are aware of
हर
it.
बार
Even
you
if-
don't have to know, even if it is there, like it is there into your awareness कि कुछ है, that then also you can get, just simply release it.
because इतना सारा pain मेरा हिल नहीं रहा है, so it could be something which is like I'm not even aware that this is hurting me, but it is just there in my psyche. So awareness नहीं हो, that was what I actually wanted to ask you. If awareness नहीं है तो क्या करने का? बहुत बार you feel कि अरे I am not hurt by this, I am moving on, but you are actually hurt. So your logical mind has not accepted the hurt, but you are actually hurt, and that is being like, you know, it has turned into a painful memory where your mind actually shies away even from the memory.
Exactly. So every time you get certain situation, when you do this exercise, you know, for releasing your painful memories, you say all the painful memories or past traumas which is associated either knowingly or unknowingly.
Oh, great. That was what I wanted.
Yeah. So either knowingly, unknowingly, whatever it is, you are still releasing it. ठीक है एक्चुअली जरूरी नहीं है, if it is associated with your past life, would you remember? No.
हाँ, that was very impossible.
You'll not remember, right? So whatever it is, whether knowingly, unknowingly, whatever you have carried on, you can just simply remove it.
Like मैम मेरे को headache start हो गया है.
Headache start हो गया है. So drink lot of water. Okay, because you are releasing a lot of energy, it needs to
हाँ
be pushed out. So drink lot of water.
मैंने भी एक वर्कशॉप किया था और उसमें यही था कि हेडेक होता है तो बेयर फुट गार्डन में चलो या ऐसे भी घर में खुले पांव चलो, स्लीपर्स कुछ ना पहनो, लॉट्स ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, बहुत पानी पियो.
बहुत मतलब
मंत्र
विनीता जी, आप जितना पानी डेली पीते हैं आज उसका डबल कर देना, मतलब
मंत्र
जो
एनर्जी वॉटेक्स मैंने सीखा ना वर्कशॉप, उसमें यही था.
एग्जैक्टली. Okay, so आज सब लोग, not only Vinita ji, but every one of you, if you are drinking 2 bottles of water every day, make
जी
it
जी
4. Make it 4
जी.
for today. You will feel great transformation tomorrow. You will actually feel it into your body. You
और ये
have
जो
to.
एक्सरसाइज करवाई ना सुरुचि जी, सॉरी आपको मैं बीच
कोई बात
में
नहीं.
टोका, वो एक बार भेज देना. हाँ, पूरा आपके
हाँ,
वॉइस में
वो
जो
पूरा recording
ये बहुत
definitely वो.
अच्छा लगा, इतना अच्छा लगा ना कि बात ही मत पूछो.
हम्म.
मैं रात को भी नहीं सो पाती थी तो मैं दिन में सो गई जैसे, ऐसा लगता है.
नहीं, definitely will do. Okay. So all of you, today you drink lot of water, whatever water you are drinking, just double that quantity of that water and drink lot of water because you actually want to let go. और ये 3 दिन में if you're not feeling any transformation, तो फिर it's like we have invested our time, money, and even I have invested so much of time in preparing this for you. So if you have to feel that particular change, right? So do it, whatever I'm saying, it will actually help you in this journey. Okay. So again, Binita ji, in one word, without any logic, okay, without any logical mind, just say, is this pain which you're getting into your head, is it associated with any kind of painful memories? Yes or no?
It is some painful emotion, yes.
Okay. So now the exercise that we will do, we will release that as well.
वो विनीता जी बोला था कि वो बॉटल अमेज़न से मंगाई, कौन सी बॉटल, नॉर्मल थी या कुछ लिखा हुआ था उसके ऊपर?
प्लेन ग्लास की मैं शेयर कर दूंगी लिंक.
हाँ हाँ जी.
मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि ग्लास पे वो ना पानी को टच करता है, दिखता है तो ज्यादा एनर्जाइज होगा. वो मैं
बॉटल है मेरे पास है.
मैं तो मैम वो जो कॉफी का बॉटल मंगवाया था इतना बड़ा, कॉफी का लेबल हटा दिया, ग्लास बॉटल उसमें पानी रखना जाने कर दिया. काफी तो 500
उसमें फिर वो मार्कर से लिख सकते हैं ना, तो दिखेगा पानी को टच करता हुआ.
ट्रांसपेरेंट है काफी, हो बाहर से मंगवाई थी, उसी का लेबल हटा दिया और पूरा ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास हो गए.
सही है.
Great. वो सही है. Great. So just imagine, I think I forgot to share the video yesterday. Today I'll share it. So वो वीडियो में दिखाया हुआ है कि there are something, like think about the drinks, think about certain drinks. So there was a drink which says Monster Energy.
हाँ है, मॉन्स्टर बहुत पॉपुलर है बच्चों में.
हाँ, so just imagine the word is written Monster and you are making your kid drink that. So what kind of energy that particular drinks is having?
सही में मॉन्स्टर से फिर घूमेंगे नगर में.
Okay, but we look at the package and हम लेके आ जाते. We never look at the words. Now you are aware. Now you know. Okay, so now choose wisely. Choose your stuff wisely. What do you want to intake?
Makes sense.
Right. So I'll share that video. It is very useful. I mean, you'll really like it. Right. Okay, so let's start. Before we start, I want you to bring into your awareness the painful memory which you want to release, or any kind of past trauma, whether you know it or not. Even if you know that there is certain painful emotion which might be associated with certain memories, unknowingly, still you can release it, right? So just bring into that into your awareness. Okay. So, are you ready? Every one of you are ready?
जी हाँ जी
Ready? Okay, great. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So, just close your eyes until I tell you to open your eyes. Just keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath and exhale. Again, take a deep breath and exhale. Again, take one deep breath and exhale. And now I want all of you to center yourself. As you center yourself, just imagine that there is a very strong pillar of white light which is entering from your head. It is passing through your entire body and it is coming out of your legs and going deep down inside the ground, at least 3 feet down the ground, and it is spreading like a root. And as you do it, you feel grounded, you feel centered. Just imagine one more time that there is this pillar of light which is entering from the top of your head. It is passing through your entire body and it is coming out of your leg, which is keeping you grounded and rooted to the earth. You're completely rooted to the earth. And now I want you to imagine that the energy is from the earth, and this is the healing energy, the energy of peace. It is coming up from your legs and it is going to each and every part of your body where the body is feeling any pain or discomfort, any kind of emotional traumas. It is releasing all of it and it is coming up and coming out of your head, from the top of your head, and it is going up. One more time, imagine the energies, healing energies is coming from the earth into your legs. It is releasing all the emotions from your legs. Everything that you have harbored over the years, which is causing pain or discomfort, is getting released. And now this is moving up, 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 and it is coming out of the top of your head. And now just be aware of the emotion of that particular trauma that you want to release right now. Just be aware of that painful memory or any kind of past traumas, whether unknowingly or knowingly you have held it into your body. It could be any kind of anger, resentment, hurt, betrayal, any kind of negative emotion. Just allow this painful memory to come into your awareness. And now, as it comes into your awareness, just reflect your own role in this situation. What have you done to get that particular memory, that anger, that resentment, or that particular painful emotion? Whether knowingly or unknowingly, just imagine your own rule. It might be that it has happened due to you. Whether knowingly or unknowingly, you take 100% responsibility for all these painful memories, traumas into your life. to take into consideration all your thoughts, all your feelings, emotions, actions, as well as reactions that has contributed to this painful memory or painful emotion that you are experiencing. And you are taking 100% responsibility, and you're saying, without blaming others or yourself, you take 100% responsibility without any judgment of these things. You simply take 100% responsibility and you are ready to let go right now. And now, to this particular memory, you say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And as you do this, slowly you feel this particular memory, trauma, or emotion is simply leaving you. If you feel any sadness because this has been the part of you for so long, just let it go. If you feel tears rolling down your eyes, just let it flow. Don't hold back anything. Just allow these memories to release in whatever way it can. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And as you repeat this, just imagine that white light from the sky entering from the top of your head to your entire body. And as it is coming down, it is pushing all these negative traumas, painful memories, thoughts, feelings, emotions, any kind of past traumas which you have harbored into your body knowingly or unknowingly. It is simply washing it over, pushing it down inside the ground. Maybe you will have to push it down with little effort. You say, thank you for contributing into your life, but now I want you to go. And once you start releasing them, you feel the emotion of love, compassion, understanding, and forgiveness. You realize that whatever has happened, you take the 100% ownership and responsibility for it. And now you want to change the situation. Once again, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The more you keep doing it, you will see this bright white light is surrounding your entire body, and it is becoming more stronger and stronger. And slowly your body is becoming invisible. You can only see white light. As it has removed all the traces of this painful memory, fully, completely, permanently, thoroughly, right now. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And as you let this go, just express your gratitude. Thank you for contributing into my life for so long. Thank you for now getting released and making me free and liberated completely. Just let it go. Just let it go. Now slowly come back to your body. Come back to your room you are in. Come back to your awareness, your consciousness. You are fully wide awake. No buzzing sound in your ears. And without all these painful memories, slowly you come back to your awareness into the present moment. And whenever you're ready, just open your eyes with a smile. Are you okay?
इनफैक्ट सर दर्द और पीठ में दर्द फिर से चालू हो गया था।
अच्छा, अभी हो रहा है या अभी गया?
थोड़ा सा तो है अभी भी।
थोड़ा सा है अभी भी। Okay.
Lots of memories. Now I just asked for painful memories and इतनी सारी आ गई. I didn't even know that. It was pretty overwhelming. So I think ये exercise मेरे को आप जब भी करोगे तो फिर से 15-20 बार करनी पड़ेगी.
Definitely. Do it and you will actually feel. So how are you feeling? You know, वो memory का intensity कैसा है अभी आपके लिए? I mean,
I didn't even
is
know
it still very strong or you feel lighter?
I didn't even know I had so many memories, man, actually. Like I say.
Yeah. So now you know, you are aware.
शेयर करना।
हाँ, प्लीज बोलिए।
शेयर करना। मुझे ट्रॉमा, ये पेनफुल मेमोरीज कुछ भी याद नहीं होगा लाइफ में, बहुत कुछ, पर कुछ याद नहीं है। बट एक चीज, जब भी ये गणपति आता है, क्योंकि एक बार आज से 8 साल पहले दिन मैं गणपति घर पे लाई थी, फर्स्ट टाइम। मेरे हस्बैंड था, ट्रांसफरेबल जॉब है ना, बाहर रहते थे, तो उसको मैं प्रे कर रही थी कि वो बॉम्बे आ जाए, क्योंकि मेरी डॉटर भी छोटी थी और मैं दोनों रहते थे, मेरे हस्बैंड बाहर तो वो आ जाए। आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, गणपति लाए, मैं घर पे पूजा किया, छोटा सा, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, फर्स्ट टाइम। उनका वहां से फोन आया, मेरे को ट्रांसफर हो गया, कहाँ गोवा थी। उस दिन जब ये गणपति आता है, मेरे को बहुत पेन होता है। मैंने गणपति बप्पा तुमने क्या किया, तुमको तो लाए थे मैं इसलिए कि उनको लाओ इधर, तुम तो उधर से और आगे कर दिया। तो जब भी ये आता है गणपति, मेरे को ये वाला बहुत ट्रिगर कर जाता है माइंड में। इवन रोने का होता है, पर अब जब ये मैं कर रही थी, मैंने यार फिर उन्होंने तो पाथ भी दिखाया ना, उनसे वो आगे और कितना निकल गए थे, वो बेटरमेंट दिया हमें। यहाँ आते तो शायद उसका नहीं होता अच्छा। तो ये करते करते मेरे उसमें थोड़ा सा अभी रिलीफ लग रहा है, क्या नहीं ये हुआ। अदरवाइज गणपति आने से मेरे को बहुत ट्रिगर कर जाता है ये वाला पॉइंट। फर्स्ट डे लाई, पूजा करके बने उठे और उनका फोन आया।
अच्छा।
मैं ट्रांसफर हो गया उधर से, जो मैं बॉम्बे के लिए करती थी कि वापस आए इधर। तो इसलिए जब भी आता है गणपति मेरे को होता है, लेकिन अभी ये करने के बाद मैंने बेटरमेंट दिया ना उन्होंने, उसके बाद उधर राइट हुआ बहुत। बॉम्बे आता नहीं होता।
या क्योंकि हम जिस लेवल से देखते हैं, राइट, हमारा लेवल तो इतना ही है, बट उनका लेवल ज्यादा ही होता है। सो इट्स ऑलवेज, बट यू नो सर्टेन थिंग्स जो है हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, एंड इफ थिंग्स डज नॉट हैपन आवर वे, देन वी हैव अ टेंडेंसी ऑफ फीलिंग लाइक दैट, राइट?
तो फील होता था मैंने।
ग्रेट, वेरी नाइस, ग्रेट। यस विनीता मैम, और कुछ शेयर करना है आपको?
I was like, I do not know what the memory was triggering, but I was literally crying.
Okay.
I think कुछ तो cleanse हो रहा होगा, but I do not really know what. I was, like I said, there was a lot of painful. I understand, like when I was
Yeah.
passing through those things, I felt कि they are painful, but I've come out of it. But I guess कहीं ना कहीं, because I was seeing it as clearly as if it's happening right now in front of me. इतना
I can
क्लैरिटी से वो
understand.
मेमोरीज मेरे दिमाग में फ्लैश हो रही थी, तो
Right.
apparently I have not let go of them, so hopefully I have now let go of a bit
Okay.
of them,
Great, great,
because
great.
they were so painful कि मेरे को actually अब भी हो रहा है ऐसे करके रोना आ रहा है कि भाई,
अच्छा.
so yeah, इसलिए मैंने बोला कि एक्सरसाइज मेरे को काफी बार करनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ, हाँ, definitely. You know, when once you start to work on your own self, it is not a 1 day or 2 day job, right? You have to keep on doing it, keep on doing it. Or the problem with this self transformation is like कि पूरे time तक हम करते हैं, and then you know if there is nobody to support us, nobody to held our hand to make us come
Push
out of
us
it.
into doing it, we will
Yes,
lapse
yes,
again.
yes, yes. So tell me, you, Vinita ji, you have also attended my Ho'oponopono earlier session as well. So after that session, how many times have you actually done?
हाँ, ये करेक्ट मैम, 10-15 days तक किया, फिर छोड़ दिया था.
Exactly, because you need someone who will actually push you, beyond your limit. And I'm really happy, Shushma ji is here, so she can relate, because both of us, we work a lot on self transformation. Not only Shushma ji is very, very dear friend of mine, but there have been people into my life who actually held my hand and who has forced me to do such exercises. You'll not believe, when I was working, after coming at 7 o'clock from the work, I used to go to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. I used to come back at 7 o'clock in the morning. Evening. My son used to stay in a daycare. But even after that, I used to come home, I used to cook, and even after that, I used to sit and do my meditation and my healing practice, because there was someone, who was helping me throughout, right? So वो 11-12 बजे तक I used to do the healing and meditation. So that's the thing. You require that continuous support of someone who will push you to your beyond your limits. The limits that you actually expect from other people. Beyond those limits, you want someone to push you to actually help you come out of these situations. So definitely don't worry, I'm there.
Thank you.
Great. So today we come to the end of the this thing. Tomorrow again we will join at the same time at 1 o'clock. And before we wind up, like I have already given you one task that you need to do for today, right? I am guess that you have written, right? Every one of you.
जी.
Yes.
You have written, right? So the other task I want you to do, there is a two tasks that I would like you to do today, because tomorrow we will explore on the effects of gratitude and love in Ho'oponopono healing process. So that will actually aid once you do this exercise today. Okay. So I would want you to actually list down 10 people for whom you are grateful for in your life. Okay. So list down 10 people for whom you are grateful for in your life, and also list down 10 things that you are grateful for in your life.
We started that, no? We started with 5 things that we are grateful for. So now we have to make it to 10.
10, yes.
Oh no. A drawing room full of children. And our first thing was this emotions that you have to let go of, you have to do that. That is our first
Yes. Yes, yes.
So we had written people and emotions. So we let go of the emotions.
You let go of the
So that's
emotions.
prayer.
Yes, yes, not the people. You let go of the emotions, so that is associated.
So that when you have to let go of something, we just say I'm 100% responsible for, let us say, helplessness. So that was that is another thing. Like while you're helping me release, I realized that it is not anger which is really the main important thing, but it is the feeling of helplessness that was really, which is my main emotion, which is.
Okay, so when you say helplessness, is it that you think that you are not able to help that particular person because you don't have that particular knowledge, or
Yes,
maybe the skill to give, and that's what it's leading to that?
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So you think, see, now the ball is in your court because you think that you are underskilled or you don't have that particular knowledge, but you require that particular delivery.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So
like this
now
one,
the responsibility lies on you. How will you upgrade your own self so that you impart that particular knowledge through which the person will be able to deliver better?
like I said, na, ki again, like this was when my mom was really not very well. I couldn't help her,
Mm-hmm.
but I would get angry because nobody else is there. So मैं
Mm-hmm.
अकेली हूँ. So it was anger and frustration, but actually it was a feeling of helplessness that we are not able to do anything. He has
Mm-hmm.
moved on now on.
Mm-hmm.
But that I thought it was all anger and frustration and but it was basically the helplessness which made me react in those manners.
Exactly, exactly. So,
So
now you have become aware of the actual emotion which is associated with that particular memory or trauma, right? Now it will be easier for you with self-awareness, you'll be able to release this particular thing.
so the function, my prayer would be like, I take 100% responsibility for feeling of helplessness.
Yes,
Okay. And I want this feeling of helplessness to be released.
yes.
And
And
then the
also,
prayer.
not only helplessness, with it, what did it come? With it came frustration and anger as well. So those were the magnetic imprints, right?
So
Those
that
were
is
the
the magnetic.
Yes, because with the helplessness, those feelings have also come. So these are the magnetic imprints. So you're also releasing even those things which is associated with this particular problem.
I'm just writing that down.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
So the actual word would be, I want to release all feeling of helplessness.
Yes,
And the magnetic imprint it brings with it.
yes,
Magnetic imprints of anger and frustration it brings with it.
mm-hmm.
And then I say the prayer.
Yes,
So this sentence of I want to release, I say only once, and the prayer I repeat 27 times, right?
yes, yes.
That I don't have to repeat 27
No,
times.
no. You just have to bring into your awareness and you have to take the 100% responsibility for it and then repeat the prayer only 27 times.
Done. Okay.
Okay. So great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining today, and let's see, do the exercises, and tomorrow again, the agenda for tomorrow would be gratitude and love that we will realize in Ho'oponopono, like, what is its place in Ho'oponopono and how it can actually affect our lives for, more transformation and betterment, right? Do the exercises and I'll see you again tomorrow at 1 o'clock in the same link. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
मैम एक बोनस दे देना, वो मनी
हाँ.
का आपने जो मेरे को बोला था ना यस्टरडे, वो स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे करवा देना.
Sure, sure.
कल.
करवा दूंगी.
ठीक है मैम.
पक्का. Okay, great. Thank you
Okay,
so
bye
much.
bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye and happy Ganpati. Bye bye.
Same to you, all of you.
Okay,
Bye
bye.
bye.
बाय बाय। ओके, तो सुषमा जी आप और मैं, आप हो सुषमा जी? हेलो।